The other systems that we look at, the claim intake, for example, was rigid. If you wanted to go into the claim scoring model, it had to be ingested electronically. Well, we work with thousands of repair facilities. A lot of those repair facilities, they don't want to go, over to a website and drop a repair order into it, or they don't want to go and fill out an electronic form. They just want to get on the phone and talk with somebody. And one of the really powerful aspects of circuitry is it really allows us to take this funnel and customize how we use it, and it can be different for any call that comes in. So we can have a call come in over the phone from a shop, answer it just like we do today, and have the adjuster enter all the information that's provided by the shop into the claim intake, and then it goes into the scoring agent, and now we're back on that electronic path. Or we can start, if we've got a franchise dealer that wants to just send us the RO electronically, ingest it into the platform, create the claim off of the AI interpretation of that repair order, we can do that as well. So now the repair facility has a choice in how they interact with us and how electronic they want to be.